Soapy detergents are made from hydrolysis of fats and oils. They are biodegradable. They cause scum formation with hard water as the calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water form insoluble salts with soap molecules and precipitate out of the solution. They lather well with soft water. They are widely used for domestic purposes but can alter fabric color over long use. Soapy structures are normally sodium or potassium salt of a long-chain carboxylic acid. Soapless detergents are made from petroleum derivatives. Most are non-biodegradable. They do not cause scum with hard water as the calcium and magnesium salts of sulfonic acids are soluble in water. They have effective cleaning power in both soft and hard water. They are widely used in industry for cleaning, softening of leather, and suppressing dust. Soapless structures do not have the COOH carboxyl group. Instead, they consist of either sulfate or sulfonate groups. A large number of naturally occurring substances are polymers, including cellulose, rubber, cotton, starch, proteins, and nucleic acids. Mankind has become so heavily dependent on polymers that about 80% of the world's output of organic chemicals is used to make synthetic polymers. Synthetic polymers include substances such as polyvinyl chloride, PVCs, polyethylene, perspex, terylene, Teflon, rayon, styrofoam, silicone plastics, and nylon, all of which are a routine part of our daily existence. Polymers vary a great deal in their physical properties and therefore the use to which they are put. Generally, those that are very strong and not easily stretched are used as fibers, and those that are usually carbon-based and can be shaped by applying heat and/or pressure are classified as plastics. Polymers are substances that consist of very large molecules called macromolecules, which are made up of many repeating molecular structural subunits typically connected by covalent bonds. Monomers are considered to be the building blocks of polymers. In other words, they are the molecular subunits used to synthesize the polymers by way of reactions called polymerizations. It is useful to note that not all macromolecules are polymers. However, all polymers are macromolecules and can have 10,000 or more monomer residues in a single chain. An essential concept which defines polymer structure is repeating unit. This is the simplest structural unit of a polymer chain, so a polymer essentially consists of repeat units linked together by covalent bonds. Polymers can be classified based on the type of reaction, addition or condensation that occurs between the monomers or the type of bond or link that exists between structural subunits, monomer residues of the polymers. Polymers can also be simply classified as either natural or synthetic. Addition polymers are synthesized by addition reactions occurring between the molecules of the monomer. An unsaturated monomer, that is, one with a double bond between two carbon atoms, adds on to a growing polymer chain one at a time. In this type of polymerization, a single monomer gives rise to a single polymer with no other reaction products. Addition polymerization results from alkene-like monomers reacting. Hence, these polymers are often termed polyalkenes.